What is going on in the financial markets? You've got banks collapsing, Signature Bank, you've got Silicon Valley Bank, and now you may have one of Europe's largest banks, Credit Suisse, collapsing. This morning they crashed 20%, and usually insiders know more and they start selling and liquidating stuff before it's insider trading, but it happens all the freaking time. What is the mainstream media not telling you? I'm gonna let you in on the secret.
I want money.
A wise man by the name of Mark Twain said that there's three different types of lies. There is lies, damn lies, and statistics. And statistics kind of go right there with mainstream media. They are paid off by what happens in between the commercials and the giant corporations that want to keep stuff on the down low. They don't want to have people panic. However, look at everybody. They are panicking. Extreme fear. Extreme fear. Why is this? Why are banks collapsing? Well, it's because of what's happened in the bond market. Bonds have completely tanked over the last 2 years, and it coincides with our administration raising interest rates for the last 23 months to try to combat inflation. Inflation was out of control. However, this has tanking the system. The financial system is being under attack because of this. In my business, when it comes to real estate, if you were to try to buy a house today, it's got to be half as expensive as what you were thinking a year ago because it's more expensive to borrow money. And what a bank does with your money is they go invest it in bonds so that they can make more money off of it, and then they lend it out. Well, it's more expensive to borrow money, so nobody is doing it. A, they're not making as much money. B, bond prices are going down, so they're losing money, and that's why these banks are becoming insolvent. And then number three, people are liquidating their assets out of their savings and their brokerage accounts, myself included, because the cost of living is not keeping up with how much you're making. We're at a deficit here. Most people are over their means, where they're spending more money than they are earning, which is bad for the banks. And that's why this is going to continue to happen until we can start lowering interest rates a little bit, start influxing with this magic money. This is a huge, huge, huge issue. And so the FDIC has come out and said that because of this, this is Federal Deposits Insurance Corporation. They are going to give about $90 billion to their customers of the Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank because they are insured. One account is insured up to $250,000, which is great. That's why people love banks. However, the government has to make sure that they abide by those rules and actually do it. 2008, we were all in limbo wondering if that was actually going to happen. But right now, that's why stocks have tanked. That's why everything is tanked. Crypto bounced a little bit because of inflation coming in at 6%. But again, those are just statistics. You don't really know. When our administration said inflation was around 9%, a year ago, it was really more like 20%. So those are one of the statistics that it's hard to really believe them because the cost of gas and then the prices of a home and cars and groceries have gone above the 9%, and they're still above that 6% inflation, what everyone has been saying. So, this is scary. This is actually really scary stuff. But I just wanted to keep it straight with you guys. This is Johnny Crypto. I'm here to help you guys make some money.